Today, we're diving into the world of object-oriented programming, or OOP, in just 3 minutes. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that's all about organizing code around objects, which represent real-world entities. Think of object-oriented programming like building with Lego bricks. Each brick is an object, and you can create amazing structures by combining them. Object-oriented programming is built on 4 pillars: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Let's see it one by one. First one is encapsulation. Encapsulation means bundling data and methods that operate on that data into a single unit, the object. For example, consider a smartphone which encapsulates its internal components, processor, memory, battery, etc., and provides a user interface, touchscreen, buttons, to interact with those components. Users don't need to know the internal details, they interact with the phone through well-defined interfaces like apps and settings. Next is inheritance. Inheritance allows you to create new classes by inheriting properties and methods from existing classes. Inheritance is similar to how different types of vehicles inherit common features from a general vehicle category. Cars inherit features like wheels and an engine from the vehicle class. Motorcycles inherit these features too but may have additional characteristics specific to them, such as handlebars. Third one is polymorphism. Polymorphism enables objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. Consider a play button on a music player can be used to play various types of media, like songs, podcasts, or audiobooks. When you press the play button, it performs different actions based on the type of media, demonstrating polymorphism in action. And finally, abstraction. Abstraction simplifies complex reality by modeling classes based on their essential characteristics. Consider a TV remote control which abstracts the complex inner workings of a television into a simple interface. You have buttons for power, volume, channel, and menu. You don't need to know how the TV functions internally, you interact with it through the remote control's abstraction. Let's see some advantages of OOPs over other concepts. Object-oriented programming promotes code reusability, modularity, and easier maintenance. So let's summarize. In just 3 minutes, you've grasped the core concepts of OOP, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Now, explore object-oriented programming in your favorite programming language and see these concepts in action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!